The vultures are circling. The snakes are coming out of the pits. The alligators are gonna come and eat me here in a few. I'm about to die. It's so hot out, seriously. What's going on, guys? Mustang King in the house, Lethal Performance. We're here at Palm Beach International Raceway down in South Florida. It's Sunday, it's wicked hot out. Why are we here today working on a Sunday? We want to get a couple baseline runs in with our 21 F-150. This is the 5-liter with a 10-speed automatic transmission, mostly stock. The only modifications we've got on here are some Vossen 24-inch wheels. We've got a VazFab 3.5 lowering street kit with the Viking coilovers, as well as a UPR catch can. That's it. So what we want to do is get a couple of baselines, see what this truck runs in completely stock form for the most part, again, except for some minor mods, okay? I really wouldn't say it's a modified truck, but to get some baseline runs, because we have a Whipple Supercharger at the shop ready to go on this week, and then we'll get some follow-up runs to see what the improvements are from that Gen 5 3-liter Whipple Supercharger kit. That kit showed up a few weeks ago. Whipple finally has the calibration down and ready to go. They're about the only ones out there who have cracked that tuning for this 21 F-150. As we know from the factory, it does a lot of the over-air tuning, so it's very hard to get in the actual PCM and tune these vehicles. Whipple has it done. They've got a 50 state legal calibration available for that truck, which is awesome. So these guys are the innovators in supercharger technology. We're looking forward to get that Whipple on the truck and show you guys what it can do. Okay guys, we just got 3 runs down on our 21 F-150, almost completely stock form, just a little bit of suspension mods from VazFab, as well as some Vossen 24-inch wheels. And let's just say this truck is consistent. I've heard a lot of people talk about times what the truck should run in stock form. I've seen some guys say high 13s. It's really hot out right now. We're running on 24-inch wheels, so we're dealing with what we're dealing with, but here we go. We got 3 runs in, very consistent. 1442, 1443, and 1443. I cut 2.17. Pretty much that was my best 60-foot times at 2.17, and all mile an hour in a 95 to 96 mile an hour range. So there you have it, guys. Our 21 F-150 pre-Whipple Gen 5 3-liter. We're going to bring it to you this week on the install, and then we're going to bring it back out with the Whipple calibration and see what we can do with that Whipple Supercharger.